We, students of Arvachin International School, Shaurya and Jivika, are going to present this idea of sportswear.com. The issue we address with this idea is that players who newly start playing a sport look for information and guidance related to it, but information on internet is very scattered. There is not a particular platform where players can interact with other players and coaches of their sport and look for their accessories suitable for them based on their level, that is beginner, intermediate or advanced. So we present Sportswear as an online platform where there would be subdivisions of variety of sports and the users can interact with each other, post blogs, upload audios, videos, post sports events in their respective sport community. We would also invite sports brands to list their products on our platform so that it makes it a one-stop solution for all problems. It is technically feasible as it requires development of a fully functional website which can be achieved with current technology. Our main target audience would be new players in sports to have traffic on site and interaction between them. Thank you.